Hey guys, this is Crystal Glitch from the channel Crystal Glitch and Pineapple_Dragon. I'm just gonna show you how I do some drawings. First, you click on the little ruler, symmetry ruler on. I basically just do a random. Trust me, I'm not this bad, okay? I don't know, I just decided I might as well just teach you how I do a few edits, because I've never actually posted on this channel. I can't actually post on my normal channel because the device I was using I am not using anymore, and it's never charged, so I always have to use a different device to do it. The app I'm using is called Ibis Paint X. It's a really good app. I just use it to do some sketches. I'm not very good though, if you can tell. If you want, I can show you a few that I've done. Yes, I've done a lot. This is probably my worst one. I did start and then I kind of failed, so I haven't finished it. I like this one, but my favourite is probably the bunny. My favourite animals are bunnies and wolves. There's a few. Yeah, this is my brother's. He started it and then he left. I guess this one was designed by my dad, and this was the original one, but it didn't turn out correct, so I did it like a boyish version. I like doing wolves. If you can tell, I've done 3. That's probably my best. I've got this one, got this one. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm just gonna try and basically show you. So I basically just start off with a simple outline. I kind of also do like a wolf here. I zoom in, start it, zoom out, see where it needs to end. Once I've got like a rough outline that I want, I basically just go on over here, click the eraser. Yes, it's kind of American. I get this bit, and basically just make it a bit like normal hair. I basically just like doing humans with wolf ears or animal ears. I've only done wolves, and I haven't even started with bunnies. Yeah, so you can see, because it's on mirror, it does it like this. I get I click on the eraser, and you need to rub out like this bit. There's this little thing. If you click it down to smaller, it can be used for different things. I just use it for this. So it should look like something like this. My brother tried to do one on my phone. It didn't really work because he hasn't been doing like more things that I do. This is how I do the wolf at the top, but I guess I kind of just have to go like that. I haven't really done human wolf before. I've mainly only done humans, so this is kind of an experience. This is basically what I've done so far, so it's not very good, but then it's not terrible. You zoom in, see this thing again? If you're on brush, you should make it really small. Kind of make it like wolf. Once you've done that, click on the little black thing at the bottom. Go and pick like a pink color and do like a light. Still brush. Zoom in. do this, get the bucket, and do that. You have to do the bucket on the opposite side because it doesn't do it, but that's how you do the wolfers. Once you've done that, you can just pick like a random colour. I prefer to do yellow. Get the bright yellow, bucket the hair. It's kind of like wolfers. You can change the colour of the wolfers. I just don't. Once you've done that, you can get your brush a bit darker. Click back on brush. Make your little thing a bit bigger. I'm not very good at explaining. I'm sorry. Zoom in and kind of like do an outline-ish thing. You have to do this around the whole thing, so I'll see you once I've done it. Just a quick note, you don't have to be a professional for this. I only started a couple days ago actually. But before I started a couple days ago, I used to try and it used to look terrible. I don't know how, I've just suddenly got better. But I guess I just stopped for a while, and then I kind of got inspiration from my friend editing. But I've never just made it. I used to think the only way to edit, sorry, I've got a cramp in my arm, was basically to get my gacha characters and edit. So when I tried, it was like a lot harder than I thought. Yep, GachaTube's out there. Yeah, it's kind of annoying, but I've kind of just got used to it, I guess. And I haven't really been practicing. The only bits I haven't actually practiced for months. I've just started on the Boxing Day, which is the 26th. Sorry, I can't really remember what day it's. So like 2 days after my birthday. My birthday, I got a lot of stuff. Well, not a lot, but one thing I got was a drawing pad, which I tried to hook up to the device I'm using now, tablet. It didn't actually work, so we've had to try and connect it to the laptop, and surprisingly, it did actually work. Okay, so once you've done it, so you should start from the ear and just connect it all up because it's just easier. Because you've got a mirror, you don't have to do it fully, but you still have to go in all around like here. I'll see you in a bit because my device is about to run out.